Hello again, Phat Boyz fans. So I got a special set of cars here from eBay. These cars came with these playsets by Phat Boyz, the fire station playset and the police station playset. I don't have room to be collecting playsets, and one criticism of these playsets is if the vehicles are so short, why aren't the buildings shorter? I feel like, these buildings should be super short as well, but they're clearly not. They look like more normal sized cartoon buildings. They do look cartoony though with the wavy, the bowed out walls and stuff, so that's kind of neat. But anyways, I just wanted the toy cars. I actually ordered these probably 3 years ago. It's just that I'm in America now, so I'm finally able to pick them up. They were sent to an address in America. So we're going to start off with the ambulance here, looking pretty good already. There is a recess here for this vent, but no black paint. But up here is really nice. So you first have silver for all the chrome work. Then you have some headlights here in yellow, some auxiliary lamps sticking out quite a bit in yellow, and then the rest of the grill is in black, so that's cool. And then it's got ambulance printed on it backwards, so if you looked at it in a mirror of a car in front, it would look normal. The molding here, actually, that's not raised, it's just perfectly smooth. But they painted silver and then looks like a sky blue window color. The lamps, well, they're just red because the whole thing is red. I don't think there's separate paint there, but they did get the silver in the middle of the light bar. There's a white light here. I don't know if those are bumps there. It looks like they are bumps, but no paint. It's got side vertical mufflers there, and there's a recess there for the exhaust to come out. That's kind of nice. So silver here, not sure why, but then it's got these like industrial semi-truck kind of wheels going on with 6 lug nuts. You do have the exposed axle though, and the air is not passing. But they're all one piece of plastic, so these are also really cheap toys back in the day. It just says PB China, doesn't say ambulance or anything like that. Some undercarriage details. It's possible this base is made of metal. Just the crudeness of it looks like it could be die cast. Not that I really care. The hard wheels and the exposed axles pretty much let these things roll like a Hot Wheels. But obviously they're going to spin out a lot because they have such a short wheelbase. Alright, going to the side here. So there's some white and black striping, and this is quite legible. Emergency Medical Services. A whole bunch of doors, hand pulls and all that stuff. The silver's running up around that fender. All the side lights you would see on an ambulance. Very neat. And then back here, more lights, right? Very cool. Yeah, the windows are sky blue. I don't know, those look like door handles, but they're painted white. More rectangles, some dots, a recess, and then red for the tail lights. Okay, so that's cool. Yeah, alright. Yeah, very neat. Okay, now we have the actual fire truck, and so we have an old school design. We have some protruding headlamps. The grill is painted silver, nicely molded. The bumper, yeah, it's got this recess here, but unfortunately extra plastic there. Some sort of silver icon, maybe like a Mack truck, kind of thing. Some venting details. This molding is, I can feel that ridge there, but not so much here. Hard to say. I feel like it's some dimensionality there. See, on the side, definitely it's more pronounced. The recesses of the windows. This one has side mirrors. The ambulance did not. Okay. Then we have, I don't know what those would be, to be honest with you. Tanks. I think they're like air tanks or something. Footsteps, the side sill, and then a whole bunch of like plumbing and all that stuff to pump the water. You hook up the hoses there, a little door, a little ladder. I don't know what that silver stripe is. Tail lamps. I'm not sure why they would have like dark blue tail lamps. Kind of weird. Like why wouldn't that be orange instead, or red, orange, silver would make more sense. Some hatches, some raised hinges details, and then I guess these are all the rolled up hoses. These are some rigid pipes, I guess, and then some more details. So it's asymmetric, this design. Fuel tank maybe right there, the same wheels as before. Okay, going to the top, we have blue and I see. That's why they have blue, because you know, it's got like police lights, blue and red lights, but no blue on the front. Interesting. Maybe that's the horn or something. A little extra paint splotched on there. I'm not sure what these silver things are. I don't know. Maybe this one, maybe like a turret, you know, to shoot water out of, like a water gun, and then a whole bunch of folded up hoses, I guess. Those canvas kind of hoses. So a lot of detail molded in on this one. Very neat. Looking back here, I guess this is symmetric. All those door panels. Yeah, these sides are symmetric, but this one is asymmetric. Okay, and undercarriage details. Are they the same base? No, I think they are. No, sorry, I can't focus. You'll have to decide. Could be the same base. It's just that this one is one is really tired. Okay, one screw holding those together. So the police set. We'll start with the police car. This one just has some smooth wheels. It's got the star like a California Highway Patrol. Blue windows, really deep recesses for the windows. This one has mirrors as well. And look, there's actually silver paint on those mirrors. That doesn't happen usually. Or maybe this one also is silver, but the trim is all silver. I wonder if this was done by PB or if someone just did this, you know, the previous owner. The light bar, it's kind of weird, you know, just having black things here. Why wouldn't those be silver or blue, right? Just two reds. That's kind of weird. What does this look like to you? It looks like a Ford Mondeo or something. This is a strange smiley grill inside of a silver thing. A little bump here for the turn signal. Some horizontal ribs for the grill there. Some more ribbing here in front of the windscreen. Now I'm noticing there's a door detail there. It's a 4-door, obviously. And then the back end, not sure what that, again, is this a Ford Mondeo? Alright, anyways, turn signals, tail lamps, a really wide license plate. No sense of an exhaust tip though. And then, alright, I guess it's alright, I guess. PB China, this looks like a plastic base to me. Yeah, okay. This one doesn't seem to want to roll. I guess it can. Then we have the car loader for, you know, taking away cars. Same wheels it looks like as those previous trucks. Or are they bigger? No, they're the same. Alright. So this side. Yeah, that rolls really nice. Pretty good toy. Okay. Storage box here with some straps. Side pipes, but sadly no recess there. Footstep. Not enough sky blue here in the windows, unfortunately. But there is a ledge, like a sunscreen. You know, that semi trucks usually run. Alright, this side looks the same. And then we have the front end. We have 4 headlights, 2 turn signals, some sort of grille detail, but it's all black down there. This grille is much better, of course, being silver. No venting in front of the windscreen. There's a bisector ridge there. We have some yellow running lights in silver bodies. Now this one has proper light bars, right? Blue and red. I don't know why that police car didn't. And then some searchlights or something like that. So that looks pretty neat. Then we have a big diamond plate pattern. Looks pretty awesome here. I think this is all diamond. No, this is plastic. I think only... You know, it's possible this whole thing is plastic. Although there is some weight to it. Maybe it's just this front cabin. I don't know. Alright, well, that's just all plain silver. Now this one also has tail lights, so that's pretty nice. Okay, does this move at all? No, it doesn't. Here's a little WRX, so just to show you can put a regular car on there. Yeah, even if the police car were to break down, you can fit that on there. And I like that it has some ridges on the side, so it'll actually stay on there pretty well. Even, yeah, very nice. Even the back has a ridge. So it's actually, you can actually roll this around without much fear of it falling out. Alright, so that's well designed. Alright, so some pretty cool Phat Boyz cars today. And in particular, I didn't have to get the play sets, so I was really lucky to get these several years ago. Thank you for watching. If I'm lucky, I'll get some other Phat Boyz from other play sets. So if you have any, post them up on eBay immediately. Thanks. I'll see you guys. Bye.